Alright guys, third gen Firebirds Camaros, they're well known for rattles in the door. And to eliminate that, you guys see my previous videos where I dynamated the inside of the panel inside the door skin. I've also put some Dynamat up on this thing because that rattles. Now you don't hear anything. Put some Dynamat inside here on the edges of this piece. This thing will rattle, so I take some from Lowe's or Home Depot. You can get this insulation. It's usually by the water heaters, and it's got foil on it, so the foil comes off real easy. You can peel it back after you stick it, and you want to put one piece right here where this thing rattles against the metal right here. That will prevent the rattling. You can see this one had one from the factory here. It was not all the way down, so I put a little piece here to keep it from rattling there. I try to put some here, but it's not sticking too good. Just to keep that from rattling if it touches, put a little piece here. So now it's solid. Now you can't hear anything. Before I would do that and you would hear a bunch of rattles everywhere. You can hear metal clinging together. So do that on both sides of your doors, and you should be able to close your door and not hear hardly anything. So just a quick note on what I did on how I kept this thing from rattling. Put some Dynamat around this piece too, because this is not really screwed down up on top. It's just got two rivets at the bottom. And I think that's about it. Make sure your wires are all nice and tight. New weather seals installed. Yeah, everything's new on this thing, so it should be super quiet.